Hello everyone. Welcome to Flix Take once again. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं सेनोरिटा. कितने आदमी थे. कुछ कुछ होता है. तुम नहीं समझोगे राहुल. Dialogues make a movie, a script, a series come alive. Otherwise, it's all paper. So today, let's chat with Sayukta Chawla Sheikh, who's a dialogue writer for Delhi Crime, and get to know more about it from her. Hello.
Hello.
Finally,
Thank you for having me.
thank you so much, Sunny, for coming on the show and taking time out. I know you're like super duper busy. But
Never
first,
too busy for you, Namrata. Never. That can never happen.
thank you and big congratulations to you and to the entire
Thank
team
you.
of Delhi Crime. This is
Thank
huge.
you.
Thank you so much for getting the Emmys home.
Thank you. The big credit goes to your dear friend Pooja Kohli and her partner Purva Bakshi, who
All of
brought the project to India so all of us could, and Sanjay, of course, so all of us could partake in this wonderful, um, demanding but wonderful journey.
wonderful. Whoever I have interviewed, they say the same thing. As though you guys have, रट्टा मारा हुआ है कि नहीं हमने नहीं किया, उसने किया है. हमने नहीं किया, उसने किया है.
But it was a passion project from the word
Yes.
go, right? Like it's not something that you can't have a business mind to it. So I think that's why we are all sounding the same.
Same. Yes,
Oh,
absolutely.
I
You've done.
see you're wearing some Ridhika Jisrani.
I wanted to tell her that. Reds.
Very nice, very nice.
So, yes. So, congrats on the win.
Thank you
And
very much.
so, you put the words in the horse's mouth.
Well, the horse did come a little bit trained. I won't lie to you. I was saying at another panel that I was with Richie that this was pretty nuanced because Richie had done so much research on the actual testimonies and actual confessions, for example, of the four people who were eventually convicted. That I had to bring character, I had to bring voice, I had to give them a geographical, demographic sort of accent, how they speak, but I could not change any words written in English because they were direct from case
Ah,
files, right? So it
oh,
was,
really?
yeah,
Yeah.
it was a one of a kind thing. I think I just learned so much doing that.
So, what was your first reaction when you got the project?
The project.
Yeah. What was your first reaction when you got to know that you're doing Delhi Crime and this whole the reason for it all and the case, of course,
Should I be honest?
I mean,
I
is it?
said no as soon as I heard Nirbhaya. I said no, Pooja, no, Appu. You and I both were from Delhi, and the case was it was recent enough
Right.
for me to be very, very presumptuously judgmental about the fact that, that it's too soon. It's too soon. You can't pick up something like I felt like the country and especially, I mean, I'm not being, I felt like it was still raw in our memory, right? We hadn't sort of,
Yeah.
it hadn't
Yeah.
settled with time. It had not become an old pain. It was still a fresh wound. So I said
Yeah.
no. I said, I don't think any of you should do it. I don't
Yeah.
think Richie Mehta should do it. And so these two said that you just read one episode. You read one episode and then you tell me. And then I read the
Right.
episode and I realized that what Richie has also said over many, many discussions now and all his press interviews that it was there was a sense of it was it was a story that we all wanted to hear, which was it was so broken and fractured in the newspaper articles. It was the
Yeah.
story about how something bad happened and people who did it were accountable for it, right? And
Yeah.
it was written with, despite how gritty and very serious and very difficult at times to watch Delhi Crime is, I feel like thematically it had that sense of hope
Yeah.
that justice will be served. And that sort of, I think when I saw that, then I said, "Ha, now I know why Appu and Pooja want to do this. Now I know why they found this
Yeah.
really spectacular piece of writing and
Wow.
brought it in." And then I said, okay, and to be from Delhi, to have grown up in Delhi, I said, I will do this. I will do it just because you got a daughter you're raising. I've got a son who I want to raise very differently from what we saw when we were growing up there, for all those silly motherly reasons also.
Of course.
Uh, I
I was
said I
actually
want to do it.
to that. I was really coming to that, of course, how challenging was it? And did it really kind of, like impact you at a deeper level? I'm sure it did, but, and that's why all these things are coming out that, you wanted to do it because the story needed to be told, So how challenging was it to kind of, align your thoughts and everything to kind of put down on paper?
It was, it was, I think my son was 2 months old, so I was pretty hormonal then. Okay. So I was super emotional.
Good, good for the
While,
fire
while
belly.
while I was writing it, I remember that I was really like, I know I was having bigger reactions than I usually would. Like I would have to put it away for some time because I just couldn't, especially that episode where she comes to the hospital and she meets her parents. I couldn't do it. Like I had to keep putting it away, and I think at some point I had this breakdown also with my husband, and he said that don't do it. This is taking too much out of you. Don't do it. But there's it's just like, I'm sure everyone said it, right? Like the more you read it, the more you wanted to do it. The more you wanted to do it. So it was very challenging initially. Like initially, the first two, three episodes to keep your emotions away from the work that had to be done. And then after a while, then your craft takes over a little bit, and then you need to do, and then you started looking at their characters and their other lives in a way that these people, like how these people were doing something before this day started, and they'll continue to do something after these 4 days end. So you have to give them that, you have to treat them with that authenticity.
True. So I was just like, just before the show started, and I kind of, you came online. So dialogues really make the story, the script, anything come alive, and otherwise it's just paper. So how do you really, pick the right words to suit the character? Of course, it's your craft, it's your skill, it's your passion. But is there any kind of, like how just tell us, like, how do you really pick the right words to suit the character? Like, what do you really think, in your mind when when you do something like that?
So, Namrata, it only happens in India, right? That we split up for dialogue and screenplay. I mean, world over, everybody writes, people write this whole script together, right? The dialogue and the screenplay is written by whatever the team is, one person or two-person. It is only in India that when everything is written, then then the draft comes to a dialogue writer who's just like comes on the material last. So I'll tell you this: if it is a well-written screenplay, if it
Yeah.
is a script with strong characters, and really that work has gone in by the story and screenplay writers, then it's much easier for me because I'm already getting like Delhi Crime was. You're getting such deeply etched out characters, this from the smallest one to the biggest one, that you just have to find a way to find their voice, and that's the next thing that I'll tell you about. But when the script is strong, then you really just have to apply yourself to make sure that whatever standard you got it at, you got to match that. And I'll tell you this, the reason why you can say that dialogue is everything and then people remember lines is because that script was very well written.
Yeah.
That script created the sort of battleground for the
Yeah.
play of words and the exchange of words, because it was just structured so well. Like every Javed Akhtar, Javed Saab's or Salim Javed's film, the screenplay is as strong as the dialogue. You remember the dialogue because the scene was dhamakedar. I'll tell you 100 films in which the dialogue is good and you'll say, अरे ये तो मैंने सुना ही नहीं.
I'm going to come to that.
Yeah, so and then you just have to like you really have to spend time trying to internalize that material and really get to the bottom of who these people are and why they are doing the things that they are doing in the timeline of the film and what motivates them and where they grew up and who their mother and father was. And so, yeah,
How was it like on the set?
give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, no, no worries. You better
Sorry,
not
you
be.
were saying?
I said, how was it like on the set for you?
So I didn't go on the set at all because, like
Okay.
I said, that my son was very small, and I couldn't travel. But I'll tell you this, everything Richie and I did on WhatsApp. He would just call me from the middle of the shot and say, no, no, these actors are saying it a little differently. What should I do?
In
And then,
WhatsApp.
he had a very, very, very efficient DA, Parinaz.
Ah,
That's right. And she would
I'm,
send me the lines that the actors have just said. And then she would brief me about what's happening. And then on WhatsApp, I would send him, अच्छा अभी उसको बोल ये बोले, वो नहीं बोले. It was like Delhi Crime from the word go was its own beast. Like we have done things that we've never done before.
well said.
Whole crew.
East, actually. So, how was it in Sundance? At Sundance, I know you went for the premiere, right?
It was
Cold.
very, very cold and very, very, very memorable. I think that uh, it was a very enriching experience for the entire team. And I think it was my first time at a festival. It was the first time that I had ever even been. Um, and so the experience was new, but it was very exciting. It was a lovely team. There is a wonderful sense of equality and you know, team spirit that, Pooja and Sanjay and Apurva bring to the table. And we met the American producers for the first time. Even, the partners, Florence, Killian, John, Aaron, everyone, like it was really lovely to have that. And like a bunch of us had gone, like some technicians, yesterday you spoke to, Smriti. So Smriti was there, and so it was really lovely. It was really lovely. It was so wonderful to see it screen at it's a pretty prestigious festival, from
Yes,
what
yes,
I understand.
absolutely.
So, yes,
So,
very
so
enriching.
talking about your previous projects, you've been nominated for the IFA for Neerja for Best Dialogue.
Was I?
Yeah.
No, it was not IFA. I think it was Starscream. Was it IFA? I didn't win anywhere. Nowhere. That Ritesh Shah and his amazing work in Pink, no means no. He ate me up.
So Pink also was nominated alongside you, and
Yes.
I mean, you were nominated for Neerja, and of course you did Parmanu and Bobby Jasus and a lot of other stuff. So, which was your favorite till date? I mean, of course, Delhi Crime is there, but okay, I know you can't pick your favorite, but if you
I'll
can,
tell you in one line, okay? I won't
ah,
take too much of your time. I'll tell
ah,
you this. I'll start from the beginning. What I really loved about Bobby Jasus was that we tried to do something different. We tried to tell the coming of age story of an over age, like out of the stereotype sort of girl, where she lives in a slum. She's from humble beginnings, and ऐसे जगह में बोलते हैं कि तुम टीचर बन जाओ, डॉक्टर बन जाओ. That is also a fight with the parents, but she's on her own trip. She wants to be a jasoos, right? So, and then, through that, and I've learned many lessons from, it was my early work. So, but what we were trying to do, I'm very proud of that. That women, no matter where they are and who they are, sort of having to reach out for what they really want to do is always a bit of a fight. And the good news is that they're always up for the fight, and I
yes,
always enjoy watching that.
it
And
was
so the attempt,
kind of a story, the girl wants to be a jasoos, really
yeah. So, and to date, so grateful to Vidya to have sort of put that faith in Samara and me to have done that film, and she did it so well. And so I'm happy that the first film I ever tried was a woman led film.
Yes.
I'm grateful for that. And then Neerja was just, it was just like it. Actually, that's where I learned how to write dialogue with
Okay.
Ram and with Simon, who was the very, very generous screenplay writer, a story and screenplay writer of that film, who gave me so much space to sort of rework or re-navigate characters if I needed to because of certain things that need to be said in
Yeah.
the film. And just working with Ram was like every day it was like going to school. Every day you learned something.
Wow. How nice.
Yeah.
Neerja
And sorry.
Parmanu.
And
Parmanu.
Parmanu again was, like when Abhishek, I also head development at John Abraham Entertainment, and I had gone home to Delhi for winter for New Year's Eve, and John called and he said that I'm doing this film, I'm doing this film. Sayukta, I'm sending you 13 pages. I'm telling you, I'm not listening to you. So I read the 13 pages and I called him and I said, John, this is a science class from ninth standard. What is this nuclear, ye, wo? I said, what is this? Who's going to watch this? And he said, no, no, Abhishek really has a great take on it. So then I met Abhishek and he really had a lovely, and you've all seen the film. So, he really had like a sort of take
Right.
on it, which made the telling a very compelling.
Absolutely.
And luckily for him, luckily for me, his first choice was also Simon. And
So
so
wonderful.
so for about 4 months, we would meet at 10 in the morning and work till 10 at night, and we just sat together in a room and cracked the screenplay.
Wonderful.
So it was really lovely. It was really lovely to do that.
Which is your favorite dialogue till date? Just whatever comes to the top of your head. Just before we began, I borrowed some Bollywood dialogues. Just like खुश तो बहुत होगी तुम and all of those things. कितने आदमी थे and all. Just trying to, if you see when you watch this show later on, the recording, then you will know what बेवकूफीज I
No,
was
I
doing.
heard you. I heard you, bro. When I was connecting, I heard you. I think the
So
one that I really like is, and
yeah,
I don't know, maybe because it's recent, is that हीरो वर्दी से नहीं इरादे से बनते हैं.
which one? Sorry.
हीरो वर्दी से नहीं इरादे से बनते हैं. Because
Um,
I believe that myself. I think if you have uh, good intentions, then good things happen.
absolutely. It encompasses everything that what you just said and what you just believe in. It just kind of encapsulates everything. इरादों से. That's what Delhi Crime was is all about. That determination to
Seriously.
really put the story
Yeah.
across.
It was
I
just,
know
yeah, literally the
you're
intention
a
of five people.
full-time mother. Yeah, no,
Sorry,
no,
is there a
continue,
lag?
continue.
Yeah, it was the
Yeah, there
intention
is
of
a
five
slight
people
lag.
who said, we want to do this. We want to do this. They were all like, when they started doing this thing in 6 weeks, we were going to go shoot in Delhi. We all thought इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया, ये पागल हो चुके हैं, ये कैसे करेंगे? And just see what they did, yeah.
6 weeks,
Just
is
see.
it? 6 weeks?
They had 6 weeks of
Wow,
prep. That's it.
my
What
goodness.
they've done,
2 months. Wow,
not even.
great job, all you guys. So I know you're a full-time mother and a part-time writer. So
So true.
how do
Only
you
another
balance
mother
that?
can know that.
How do you balance it? Like, I know it must be so challenging, but is there any way that you can tell us how you
Okay,
balance?
there are
It kind of.
two ways there are three ways that I handle it. Okay. The first one is to have a solid partner who values your career
A solid.
as much as he values
Nice.
his,
Yeah.
right? The second thing is that somewhere I think somewhat writing lends itself to at least early motherhood. I don't know about later because I'm still in the early years. A lot of it can be done from home.
Yeah.
A lot of it can be done after hours. Like I don't need business hours to work, right? Like I can put my child to bed
Yeah.
and then work late into the night without worrying about, because it's solitary. It doesn't need,
Right.
beyond a point, it doesn't need much interaction. And the third thing is you have to, it takes a village, Namrata. You have to have good people who understand that we are sort of straddling two boats and we are trying to like keep both afloat. And in my I have such privilege from John, from Nikhil Advani to
Ram.
Ram, who I'm now working with him while I have a child. Before I worked with him, I didn't have a child, right? So supportive. Abhishek also. So supportive of the fact that, sometimes you're in the middle of a Zoom call and he'll just walk in and start wanting to talk to everyone, but like so kind and forgiving for all that, no one's ever turned up their nose at me being unprofessional or anything. So I mean, I'm so blessed like that. I've worked with really wonderful people.
That's so good. That's so reassuring and so good to hear. You know,
Like
and
Richie, who would have needed me so much on set because after all, he understands Hindi fully, but
yeah,
he's
yeah,
not someone who speaks Hindi. He's not
yeah,
grown up in India.
yeah.
But not once did he have a problem with the fact that I couldn't come there or anything. He was very, very supportive about that.
That whole belief in each other really, really put you guys through the, the belief and the trust in each other. I think that is so wonderful to hear from each and every one of you. That's so amazing. So, how has the lockdown been? I know it's a question that I ask everybody because I just want like inputs. How has it been?
You know, I want to complain about the restrictions. I want to complain about the fact that we are all restricted physically because we have to stay home and we have to sanitize and we have to
Right.
wash everything and take steam if we step out of the house and stuff like that. But my lockdown has been a very blessed one. Really had a great year. I've done lots of writing in the
Yeah.
lockdown. I got to join the team of a very, very popular show, Arya, for the second season.
Wow.
Um, I won a Indian Screenwriters Guild Award for
That,
Delhi Crime.
that also.
Thank you. And then look at the year. It's wrapping up with the Emmy. So I mean, I would be an absolute ingrate to say that the lockdown has not been good to me. It's been really been very good to me. The only thing I've not done is lost weight, which everybody in the lockdown has. I'm too busy eating chocolate.
This too shall pass. This will also move to the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Every day I think I must read up on intermittent fasting. I must count my calories. I must download my fitness pal. I've done nothing.
See, if you've not done it till now, then you can't do it because I can't. I really can't. I can't diet. I
I'll do
cannot.
it next year.
Ritika is laughing. You think Rit she can diet? You think she can count her calories? You know her
I
better.
can't. She knows it. She's lost so much weight. I don't want to see her.
And she's
I think
cooking
I'll
away.
punch her if I see her.
And she's cooking away such yummy stuff.
Yeah. Not fair. Why can't I see all these people? Oh yeah,
The
now
comments.
I can.
The comments.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got it. I'm very bad with Instagram. I don't know how to do
Now,
anything.
now you
Yeah,
know.
I don't even know how to. I didn't know that you need another app to repost. What is this?
Yes. Now you're in the groove. In the Insta groove, Sunny.
Well, for everyone who's listening, Namrita did a mock call with me in the afternoon because she knew that I'm incapable of doing this.
And everybody started joining, and they were like, guys, get out of here. I'm not ready. That
I
was funny.
swear.
So tell us more about your current projects. Of course, you shared about Arya, but anything else that is in the pipeline, if you can reveal.
But I'm happy to talk about things that I can. Yes, I hope I'm almost done with the second season of Arya, but
I
with
can't.
Ram Madhwani, you're not done till you're done. You never know with him when he'll ask for some massive revisions and rewrites. And yes, it's a wonderful team. I've joined the team on the second season, and it seems to have the same sort of solidarity and energy that I saw in Delhi Crime. So I've really enjoyed that. I've written a film for my company, John Abraham Entertainment, which is a small ensemble really sort of fun comedy that
Lovely.
we hope to shoot in London early next year. So I'm doing heavy duty revisions for that.
Good
And
fun.
it has the very, very talented Harshvardhan Rane, who was just in Tesh. Yeah, na, as the lead. So, yeah, so
Actually, you're
you
my
know,
big fan. I
yeah,
love that.
very,
Just loved it.
yeah. So the motivation is there.
Super, Sunny. Super. We're so looking forward to all your projects.
Thank you, Namrata.
Thank you so much for doing this, and lots of love to Miran and to you and to Summer. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I
Thank you
hugely
for having me. I mean, it's so rare. I mean, it's really lovely when writers are, sort of get an opportunity to speak to people and have a public discussion. I'm always very grateful to it.
yeah.
Thanks very much, Namrata.
My own father-in-law is a writer and a screenplay, like a writer.
Oh,
So I can
wow.
completely, understand, where you're coming from, and so passionate. In the middle of the night, you just get up and you start writing some like idea, ek thought, just want to let go of that thought because obviously, like, if you kind of don't write it down, then you forget. So I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
the script is the king. It's like really it is. These days, kya? I mean, even in the earlier on days, the script is the king, of
Earlier
course.
on days, scripts were made of steel, yeah. What scripts there were, na, back in the
उसी से
day.
सब फॉर्मूला बन रहा है ना उसी से सारा
Yeah,
evolving from
yeah,
that mother source, the motherboard kind of thing.
yeah. Seriously, so true.
Great, Sunny. Have a great night, and I hope to
Thank
catch you soon
you.
in person.
Yes,
Let's
yes,
meet.
I hope so too. We'll make the babies
Yes,
meet. Thank you
yes.
very much, Namrita.
Oh,
Lots of love. And
thank
thanks
you.
everyone for joining. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye
Now I
bye.
don't know how to leave. Should I just press cross?
Just press the cross. Bye.
Okay, got it.